Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, sir.
Madam,
Yes, sir.
myself Vishal Mishra, CM
Yes, sir.
of the branch, and Das sir is also there. Our regional head is there, and he is also available online. And Ms.
Last, sir, is
Kanchan
regional
Prabha.
head.
Sir, madam, yes.
Okay.
Regional head is
Good.
there.
Good morning, sir. Das, sir. Good morning. Madam is there.
Kanchan madam is also there.
Madam, you are on mute.
Oh, so sorry. Welcome, everyone. As we do have quorum of the meeting, so we are starting the meeting. So first of all, I have to declare the list of creditors for Agro Ventures. We do have only one claimant, that is from Union Bank of India. That claim we have admitted and we have formed COC. So in COC, only one member, that is Union Bank of India, 100% voting right lies to the Union Bank of India. And we have submitted our COC formation report to NCLT also by seeing this, that we got only one claimant, that is Union Bank of India. So this list we do have, and this list is to be hosted in the website of the company. But we have given mail to the directors of the company, but we didn't get any response from the corporate debtors from the director side. So we do not have the website of the company. In the website of the company, this list to be hosted in the website. But since it is not there, not with me at least, and the company is too small, and since last 4 years the operation of the company is also not going on. And one more thing, one directors of the company has been died, so only one director is there in the company. And after 2016 there were no balance sheet which has been submitted in the ROC, because I have searched the ROC. By searching the ROC data, I could access that after 2016 there were no business in the company, and they were not submitted any balance sheet, and they had not done their accounts audited. So, sir, we will go by agenda item one by one. So let's start the first agenda item. The IRP will take the chair, so it's okay. And to ascertain the quorum that we have already ascertained, that is again okay. And third one is to present the list of creditor available for inspections. So that is there. List of creditors, only one. I am submitting here with that we got only one creditor, that is Union Bank of India, and 100% claim has been admitted for this. and the report has been submitted to NCLT also. Then we will go to item number 4. I am requesting all of you whether you are having any query for this up to this agenda item number 3, and if it is not, then I am moving to agenda item number 4. Sir, Das sir, I can continue. Sir, you are also mute, sir. Das sir, you are also mute, sir. Please unmute yourself.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Sir, can
I think it is okay.
Okay.
Kanchan,
Yes, sir.
please respond. Anything else is there, or she can proceed?
Kanchan ma'am? After all, this is the
Okay,
suggestion
ma'am,
of
you can proceed.
sir. After all, this is the suggestion of COC because your fund is there. I am only staring. This is not my fund.
Yeah.
But how we can retrieve the fund from the company? How can we do the best resolutions? That is only the thing that we professional are doing. But ultimately, fund is yours.
Yes.
So, sir, the item number 4. I have to brief on the corporate data affairs. Detail about technical, financial, and operation to be discussed about the IRP, and the committee shall take the note of the affair and suggestion to be collected for any further development. Yes, sir. For this, as there is no business because the first phase, second phase has been completed in the cold storage, but third stage it has not started. So the plant is not ready to move, and no work is going on, and in fact they had also not started any work in the cold storage. So there is no cash flow in the company and there is no operation in the company. And now the items which is coming for your approval, that will be needed because as an IRP I have to do some work that will be needing approval of COC. So Kanchan madam has requested me that if any voting agenda will be there, so you give us at least 24 hours time so that we can vote accordingly. So sir, one item is there that my fees. So that fees has been decided at the time of my appointment. When I have been got the appointment from Corporation Bank, they had given me a quotation that you forward your quotation of the fees and then we will approve. So they had approved me out of the all quotation, the least quotation. So this 1 lakh rupees per month they had earlier approved, but still this is the formal COC. So I need again your approval for my fees and for other expenditure and for converting IRP as an IRP as an RP. Because 1 month IRP insolvency resolution professional will be there, and thereafter, after completion of 1 month, IRP will become the resolution professional. So this case has been admitted in the NCLT court on 18th of March 2021 and today is 17th of April 2021. So IRP, the insolvency resolution professional, the work which is supposed to be done by the IRP, that I have completed because the newspaper publication is required, that has been done. COC formation has been required, that has already been done. And one most important thing is to take over in my control all the assets, all the plants, all the working places of the corporate data. That keys also that should be in my position. Otherwise, afterward, how we can invite the resolutions and all. So this should be in my position. And I have mailed directors. I have talked to director, and I have talked to the advocate of the director also. So they are, as usual, they are not interested. So for this, if they will not provide me the keys, so there is a section proviso in Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code that under section 19(2), I have to file non-cooperation of director. Then court will give instruction to them to provide the keys to us. If they will not provide me, If I am seeking again and again, and in spite of this, if they are not providing me, then I have to file an appeal under section 19(2) for non-cooperation to NCLT, and NCLT will give their verdict in writing, and they will mention each and every clauses for the corporator. So should I move for this, sir?
Kanchan? Kanchan, please respond.
Yes, ma'am.
Tinaji, Kanchan is there?
Yes, ma'am. He's yes, sir. He says there. Says join now. Ma'am, you are mute.
Yeah, Sonu ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, whatever is our stand that we send you by email, ma'am.
I will email you everything, and whatever voting we need, that also I will mail you.
Fine, ma'am. And secondly, ma'am, one more thing. This committee of creditors that constitutes of, actually earlier we could not some technical issues were there, so we could not listen to you.
So, ma'am, I am
operational
repeating.
creditors.
Yes. Ma'am, I am repeating myself that there is no operational creditor, there is no other claimant. Only one financial creditor we do have, that is Union Bank of India as of now. And we had formed
Right,
the CUC also, ma'am. And constitution of committee of creditor, we have deposited it into the NCLT also. And we have uploaded this in the NCLT website also. E-filing.
That is already done.
That has already been done. The work which we have supposed to do within the timeline, that we have already done. The publication of the newspaper, and then formation of the CUC, and constitution of CUC informing to NCLT, that has already been done. And there is only one financial creditor, 100% voting right. That is only Union Bank of India. There is no other financial as well as the operational creditor.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I
secondly, one more thing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Carry on. No,
Actually,
secondly, one more thing was there, ma'am. Then till now, this resolution, I mean, how we would be, I mean, cash flows are there in the company?
No, ma'am. Since 2016, thereafter, they have not submitted any balance sheet. And there's no income of the director. So since last 5 years, 2017, 18, 19, 20, 21, they have not filed the balance sheet. So there is no cash flow in the company, and the company is not doing any other activity. And since the company status is also not there because one director has been died. There are two directors. One is there, and the other director, which is his mother, is no more. So this is again one glitches in this MCA matters. So, ma'am, my question,
ma'am, how do you propose to like move further?
Actually, ma'am, I want to know that whether you are having all original documents with you for this property, this plant, and this cold storage, the land. All original documents is lying with us, with the Union Bank of India.
I think Vishal sir.
Yes. All are available with you.
All are available. Okay. So, ma'am, first of all, we have to appoint the two valuer who will value the assets of the company. And after getting the valuation report, we will invite for resolutions. And we have to do newspaper publication also, ma'am.
Fine, ma'am. This valuer appointment, I guess that is not there in the agenda. That would be later on.
Yes, ma'am.
Valuation also will.
Ma'am, actually, the appointment of two registered valuer, it should be within 47 days of the admission of the case. So our case has been admitted on 18th of March 2021. So 47 days means we do have another 17 days, another more 17 days is also there. So this will cover in other agenda item, that we have to take their quotations also, that at what rate they are
that is,
comfortable.
that's what we were also proposing, ma'am, that whatever we are doing appointment, either it be of the valuer or it be of any technical support team, that it would be like you obtain 3 to 4 quotations and that should be placed to us for approval, so that
Yes,
that
yes,
is
yes.
well with that.
Yes, ma'am. So all the quotations for the IRP fees, RP fees, valuations, quotations, as well as the technical support team, this I will mail you for getting your approval. And you were saying that within 24 hours, you give me some time, then we will send you our approval that you have told me earlier. So that I will mail you. And in mail, I will mention all this course that is required to be your approval, ma'am.
Fine. And anything else?
Kanchan, Sonu ma'am was telling that they are non-cooperative borrower. So we need to move some petition to get the keys and physical possession of the properties. So
Okay,
can you?
Yeah, Sonu ma'am, you are not handed over with the like keys and other things?
No, ma'am. Actually, I have been requested to the director, to his advocate also, but they are not responding. So in this case, we do have one option that we can apply to NCLT under section 19(2) for non-cooperation. So if you will confirm, then I can move on for non-cooperation application to the NCLT.
Okay, ma'am, this will revert back to you through email. We'll just inform you that
Okay,
what
ma'am.
stand.
So the agenda
Yes,
item
that's
which
it.
is need to be your approval for approving the fees of valuer, for approving the fees of IRP, technical support, and then for section 19(2), if I will move, because they are not handing over the keys and the financials and other documents, because I have mailed them all the checklists that we need all these things, but they have not reverted. His advocate also, he's saying that his advocate is saying that by getting bank pressure, his mother has died, and they had called and they had threatened our mother and blah blah blah. They are saying this story. Every corporate debtor is saying this kind of story. That is common, and they want to see that they need the third stage of disbursement. Then I told, how could you get the third stage of disbursement? Because there is a agreement between you and bank that you have to follow, you have to obey all this condition, then only you will get the third stage disbursement. Otherwise, how you could get all this money from the bank? So they are challenging us and they are saying that we will go to the high court and we will go to other court and we will do this like that. They were saying, but they are not providing anything. So if we could need cooperation from them, then we do have left no other option other than the 19(2), section 19. So you approve me and then we can go for this
Yeah, I
non-cooperation.
will revert back to you upon this, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So basically, this 19(2) is also put upon voting, ma'am. I mean,
No,
that is
ma'am. This 19(2) is the liberty of the resolution professional. He can go at
right.
he or she can go at any point of time. But I am discussing with you that you are only the sole financial creditor and sole COC. That you know the
Yeah,
nature
yeah,
of the
that's right.
client. That how nature he is, he can give keys without going this or not. This is the informal discussions that whether we should proceed with this or not. But anyhow, if I am not getting any document from them, then I have to move for this 19(2). It is not required the approval also. This is simply that you are the COC and financial creditor and you know the
Fine,
nature
fine,
of
fine.
the
Yeah,
director.
So, ma'am, if we are moving this 19(2), then I mean, the advocate who would be representing us would be, or you would be moving this application.
No, ma'am, actually, you need not to do anything. Me and my advocate will do entire thing for this 19(2). We will take care of this.
Then, ma'am, this legal. Okay, and for appointment of advocates, I mean, you would be proposing, you have a team of legal team as well along
Yes,
with you?
ma'am. Since last 4 years, I am doing NCLT work since 2017. I qualified in 2017 August. And then I have handled one big project, that is Jhabua Power, wherein 2000 crude exposure was there and 12 bankers were there. So I have handled this company. So I am having experience of all these kind of issues, what issues can be crop up, and at what stage they can do what. So this experience I am having, ma'am. And since fund is yours, so at each and every stage, I have to take your formal or informal confirmation that I am briefing you that I am doing this, and please suggest that you need any other thing. That's it, ma'am.
Fine, ma'am. We'll revert back to you upon this. And anything else? Huh? Vishal, sir?
कंचन, हेलो कंचन,
हाँ सर.
एक क्वेश्चन उनसे ये पूछना था, इनका क्या प्लानिंग है? इनका
Yes, Sonu ma'am.
Yes.
just what is the planning or planning? How is he will resolve the matter?
So,
Just
after,
nutshell.
nutshell, we have to, within 57 days, we have to submit the information memorandum to COC. Like I will submit one information memorandum to you that the company is having this much assets and this much liabilities. Okay. And then I will go for invitation of EOI. EOI means expression of interest. And that is to be done within 75 days of the admission of the case. And always the date will be fixed like 18th of March 2021. Then I will go for publication of Form G in the newspaper. Then I will invite expression of interest from the resolutions applicant. And then provisional list of resolution applicant will be there. Means what I will invite, that is there anyone who is interested to take over this company, to buy this company and pay the debts of all the Union Bank of India. So this EOI, expression of interest, is this, wherein I have to show that these are the assets in the company, these are the liability, and what value they are proposing. So to H1, the highest one, the bidder who will bid for highest one, we will go for that, who will give us the money for this plan. So for this, the most essential thing is the valuation that we have to do earliest. Valuer will take time, and he will also require some documents that we need this document, that document, assets registers and all. So documents corporate debtor is not providing, and valuer will asking, we need the purchase bill of this plant and machineries and all. So valuer will be having one more the long checklist. And after getting the valuation report, what is the current market value of this cold storage? Then expression of interest, we have to mention all this parameters, who can apply. We have to fix a parameter that who can apply for this company, the same nature of industry or other person we are allowing to other persons, means to whom we can throw that. The net worth of the company should be at least 10 crore, that they can take participation in the UI. Like I will fix all the parameters with discussing to you. We will keep one more COC after this, and then we will discuss all the issues. But first, in this COC, valuation is required. And then again, for EOI and all these points, we will have long discussions. That to whom we will allow to show the expression of interest, sir.
So base date will be 18th March, na?
Sir, 18 March
Sorry, sir?
2021. Right. Right. Sir.
Yeah, admission date.
Base date will be 18th March 2021.
Right.
Every date will, whatever the date time you will fix with from this date.
Sir, the time for resolutions is fixed by the CIRPs. This is date wise, that within T plus.
Yeah, that the calculation is from the date of admission, right, ma'am?
Yes. Yes. So motive is to get the best resolution plan. Our motive will be to get the best resolution plan, and we have to fix the metrics for this. And if there is any suggestion, you please suggest, sir.
Ma'am, secondly, one more thing, since you are also into this profession only, so looking into the location of the securities and location of the company is into the thing. I mean, looking into all the aspects. I mean, uh, what are the chances of resolution? I mean, what any?
Ma'am, actually, in our case, what loan we have given is around 8 crores. And security value, I think it is more than 100%. So I don't think that there is any chance of haircut. We will get the best price. And it's a totally new cold storage, unused. So definitely we will get the best resolution plan. And ma'am, I do have connections of lots of connection with the industry people also. As because I was the chairperson of the Chartered Accountant Institute in the year 2018-19. So I do have lots of industry connections. So I can spread my EOI to them also, that they can also come and beat for our EOI. So that can also be done, ma'am. So in my opinion, there is no chances of haircut. We will get our 100% recovery from this. And our plant is in best, I mean, condition is very good.
Physical verification. Have you been to the plant?
Ma'am, actually, I am having all the pictures, color photograph of the plant, and someone else I have sent it, and I have seen all this. So all these pictures is lying with me now. So I don't think there is some issues in this. But to getting the position, it is prime most. Ma'am, this picture.
So the our concern
This
also
is
one
the picture of
concern
the
location, ma'am.
Ma'am, please have a look.
Yeah, yeah.
These are the picture
Yeah,
of
yeah.
this plant. Yes, ma'am.
Fine, ma'am. Whatever the agendas upon that will revert back to you. Anything else? Anyone? RS sir?
सर एक्चुअली आप लोग सब जिनको भी जो पूछना है प्लीज आप हमें पूछिए क्योंकि ये फर्स्ट सीओसी है. इफ देयर इज एनीथिंग क्रॉप अप इन योर माइंड प्लीज आस्क फ्रॉम मी सर.
Ma'am, one thing, this valuer will be appointed by the bank or it will be coming from you, which we will approve?
Sir, actually, I have to appoint 2 registered valuer who are registered in IBBI. So I have to check. I am checking the website of the IBBI wherein I can get the valuer. They are from Sivan, so that our cost will be reduced.
So now that it is only 70 days left, so
Yes, sir.
17 days left, so we have to keep it in fast track.
Sir, actually within a day or 2, I will invite the quotation from the valuer and then I will share with you and I will take your permission that what amount they are quoting. I will mail you and I will take the permission by resolution of circular and you will approve, then I will hire. Or if you are having any valuer who are registered in IBBI, you can also suggest, sir. You can also give the name of the valuer who are registered in IBBI, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. आप लोगों को कोई भी प्रॉब्लम होना तो I am easily approachable and accessible because I have been appointed by the financial creditor, not by the court. Corporation Bank has given me the appointment, sir. So anything which is cropping up in your mind and any clarification which you need, please explain, sir. So do query with me.
Definitely, we will ask you.
Yes, sir.
Definitely.
And one more thing, this
Yes.
actually since the securities, I mean that is located in district Sivan. So you think that location can the location be a constraint in finding resolutions?
Ma'am, you are so worried, but take the positive side of this.
No,
That
because my worry is because ma'am, the SARPC, under SARPC, we have conducted auction of that property lot many times, and that was the reason that we moved to the NCLT.
oh, you didn't
We
get
could not
any
find
buyer.
any purchaser.
Okay.
No, ma'am. That's why.
But ma'am, in the C1 there is no other cold storage, I guess. So if anyone,
Yeah, that's why.
yes. So I do have.
That's a good thing, ma'am.
I do have connection in the Ranchi also, Patna also. So in this Bihar district, I will knock them that whether they want to take this.
Yeah, that you need to take care, ma'am, because
Yes, ma'am.
maximum like. Mhm.
Ma'am, the most important thing during the CIRP period is to get the resolution plan approved with the best price. That is the most important thing. So how can we retrieve our funds and how can we find out the best resolution applicant? That is the most important thing. So for this, we will try our level best, ma'am, that how can we get access to all the industrialists who are interested to invest in this property, ma'am.
Right, ma'am.
Okay, thanks.
Fine, na? Okay, ma'am, we'll conclude with this. Aris, sir,
Yeah, tell me.
so anything else?
No, nothing from my side. Ma'am, you please send that whatever the documents you have told so that we can get the approval from the competent authority.
Yes.
And as soon as possible, we will get back to you on that.
Yes.
So that it could be in the right.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.